I just decided I want to vlog today, so that's what I'm doing. I came back from Korea, so I'm back home. I'm back in America, but I got ready because I have a doctor's appointment in an hour, so I have to leave now. Yeah. Here's my outfit. I don't know if the lighting's kind of weird, but this is it. I'm back home. I got Chipotle. My doctor appointment went well, but now I'm gonna start packing because I'm gonna go on a little mini road trip vacation with my family. So I brought my luggage. I really quickly emptied my carry-on that I took with me to Korea because I just came here back to America 4 days ago, and I'm just gonna start packing really quickly. I don't even know what I'm gonna bring with me, so I have to figure that out first. I went to Target and I got myself the enhypen dark blood album. Ooh, he sung. I'm so nervous. Look at Jake. Right now it's like 4 o'clock-ish, but I just wanted to unbox my album. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do today. I'll just record whatever I do tomorrow. Today I'm gonna go shopping at the mall. I received these makeup products from YesStyle way back in March, but I was in Korea, so I'm gonna try them on now. I also ordered some makeup from Amazon. It's an eye definer. This is in the shade 412 in the light. This is a gel eyeliner in the shade number 10 White Pearl. And this is a blush. My fave Pinkology Mood Eye Palette. Lastly, I received like a makeup tool set that comes with makeup brushes, cotton pads, brush cleanser, and a hand mirror. I'm gonna do my makeup now. I think I might try out this eyeshadow. I'll see you after I finish my makeup. I ended up just using the eyeshadow palette and the brushes, but for my lips, I'm gonna try out the lip tint, and I wanna do it on camera. Ooh, I'm so excited. I've seen so much about this. Here's how the shade looks. Ooh, really pretty shade. It's a really pretty color. Wow, it blends it with my lips so much. It's so pretty. I'm gonna rinse off my hands and then put on some jewelry, put on perfume, and then head on over to the mall. candles to start lighting in my room. They have fall scents already. I haven't been here in so long because I haven't been in America in so long. I just wanted to show you what I got from the mall because I bought a few things and then my other 2 Amazon packages also arrived. These are the 2 makeup products that I bought off of Amazon. I got this glass stained lip balm in the shade Hippie Berry. I actually have this lip balm in another shade that I got from Korea. I originally wanted this Hippie Berry shade. This is it. All of the Olive Youngs that I went to were out of stock of this specific shade. And then I also got this Clio Cushion Foundation. This one is the Kill Cover Mesh Glow Cushion Mini. I got it in the shade 4 Ginger. Oh, it's so pretty. Since I already came home and I'm not planning on going out again later today, I'm not gonna try it out. And then at the mall, I just got some things from PacSun and Bath & Body Works. From PacSun, the first thing is this plaid headband, red baby tee top, and then lastly this black top, and it's like off the shoulder. And from Bath & Body Works, I just got a soap autumn s'mores. I just realized I got the wrong scent for the soap. This is Autumn S'mores. I wanted to get a vanilla scent. It was like cream vanilla almond or something. Now I have this. However, for my candle, I got pumpkin pecan waffles. It smells so good. Kind of sad about this. I did smell this in the stores. It was like kind of okay, but I really wanted the vanilla one.